are pleased to show you the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio. Come take a test drive today.